there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to DalePaulSlots. Going to be playing a little bit of Lightning Link today. High stakes. Las Vegas. Let's see what we can do. Got $300 in there. And we're going to try it first on a let's go $3. It's not very loud machine at all. Three of those suitcases get you into a bonus round. 6 of those get you into a really nice bonus round. Let's see if we can do it and get into it. Those are wild. We are at the Bay Mills Casino and Resort in beautiful BRIMLEY, Michigan. A few kings there. Come on, suitcases. All the wilds on the wrong end. Oh, and those are nice too. Okay. A few showgirls there. $60 ball. Doesn't want to even give me some good line yet. So let's go 5, 3, 75. A little bit. Come on, one more. Oh. Some days, oh come on, blockers. Oh. Okay, let's go 10 cent. Okay, a little bit there. This denomination, the mini's 100, minor's 500, and the major's 525. Okay. A lot of wilds. Even more wilds. $31. Okay. Oh, and the grand on here, if you're so lucky to get it, is $10,180. You have to mention that. If I don't mention it, then I probably never win it, right? Showgirls. Okay. Likes the wilds at this denomination. I'd like to see just a bonus of some type. Nope. One more. No. Let's see if we can. Some black is. Oh, needed one more. Okay. Let's switch her up. And obviously, this is not going to do it. One more. And we'll go to penny. $2.50. Let's see if we can take this to 75 or the next bonus. That'd give us a good chance. Oh, blackers. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Okay. At least the coins are showing up. Yes, the more of those gold briefcases you get 3, you get so many spins, and then the more you get, the more spins you get. That's not too bad. At least we didn't get blocked. Got queens all the way across. That's good for $25. More sports cars. Okay, young ladies. At least it's in a little bit of a given mood. At this denomination, at least. Come on. A lot of wiles. Okay, let's see if we can. We're gonna bump it to $5. There we go. I don't know if it's a coin show or not. Should be. Not quite, but okay, $113. Come on. 3 minis. One more. $50 at this denomination. Oh, $250 ball there. Wow. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we'll take this down to 150. It wasn't one of the bonuses. Come on. We'll get one more spin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. Yeah, high stakes wasn't in the mood today, but sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. Thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots, and may your slot be hot.